In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a full tutorial on how to get way better at gorilla tag, doing walls, running, double walls, branching, and everything. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to run. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scoop and push your hands like this, move them, and tilt your hands. And you kind of want to lean into it like this. You want to lean. You just want to. All right, I'll show you what that looks like. Ready? And you want to move smooth. Don't jump up and down like this or with two hands. And go one at a time in a circle motion. Then you can go really fast. Show you what that looks like in third person. You ready? Set, go. That's what it looks like in third person. Next, I'm going to show you double walls. So, to do double walls, you're going to want to push off and up slightly. Push and take your time, because it'll take a while for you to slip. You can stick to it, keep pushing, try to stay in the middle, then you can make it to the top. Keep practicing this, same with the running, then you can get really good. Next, back down, we're going to do pinch climbing. Alright? So, you're going to want to grab on, slam down, and grab back on. Slam down, take off, and grab back on. Slam off, on, and push down to go up. Then you can do smaller movements to go really fast. Right? Here's what it looks like in third person. Then, another thing you can do on double walls is do these double movements like this. It's a lot faster, but it takes practice. Oh, I messed up there. But then you can go ahead. Then once you're at the top, you can hop on this branch up there, or you can just jump straight from here up here. And over here is the long jump. You want to try to get from here all the way to that branch. And now, here's branching, all right? So branching, for running up ramps, you want to kind of stab it like this. Angle your hands more down, okay? Watch out for this gap here. So we're going to start branching right here, right? You're going to push off of this to here. You can use one hand or you could use two. Then you're going to skip that branch and go onto this one that comes out of that one. Push off the side. You might slip though. Takes lots of practice to here. Then over here. Then you can go over here. Sneak up through here and get up to this platform. It's going to take a lot of practice. And then you can come up this ramp. And to get on stump, you want to jump up here, to here, to here. Then you want to do a big jump to here. And then you could hit off of there, or you could jump up there. But most people go like this to get up. You can do whatever you want. You can run along here. Right as it's going down a bit further, then you're going to push off to get up here. Then you're on the top stump. Alright, it's Easter right now, so a bunch of stuff. Then you can follow me over here. And here's a really easy thing you could do, and that is put here, and then you're going to hit to this branch. It's okay if you land on that one. Try to land on either. Then you're going to push off, and then grab up. And then you're on this big platform. Or you could do that way to get up that I just showed you. Then here's a great route to get all the way around the map, right? Once you're up here, you're going to jump to here. This is a bit harder, so it's going to take a lot of practice. To here, push to here. Here, then run on this branch, go around the lamp, don't hit it or you might get stuck, to this one, hit off the tree onto here, to this one, here, and do that same thing. Could run around here, back on this branch, then the thing I just showed you, hit off, back there, and go up. Those are some easy things you can do. Keep practicing those and you'll get better at the game. Now I'm going to show you walls. Alright, so for walls, run up to the wall. They might look big and scary, but trust me. Well, it's taken me like a week to learn wall climbing. But so the easiest one, you're going to twist your body to the side and really turn it. Really turn it all the way up. Don't do too small or you'll lose your balance. Don't do too big or you'll fall and miss it. All the way back down. right? You just want to do just right, all right? You want to go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. If you don't want to lose tracking, you can hold your fist down, but you won't stick as long. Then you can get up to these slippery walls. Slippery walls are hard because they're slippery, so you will fall down like this. It's really hard to do slippery walls. Then you can hop off the walls to branches. Then you can start branching. But, whoa, I landed in the water. And this is gazebo. Under here you can hang out with your friends. There's report buttons here all along, so you can report people if they're being toxic or something. This is how you mute people. But remember, if you mute the whole lobby, it's going to be annoying because as soon as someone joins, you have to mute it. So I would recommend just turning all your headset volume down. But here's this fire. Sometimes it's broken. Super cool. Right now it's Easter, so no fish in the water yet. But yeah, you can practice all those skills. And I'm going to show you a couple jukes. So number one is this, all right? You're just going to run straight up here. You're going to go 1, 2, and hit off. So you can get higher up. Because if you just do this, you'll launch straight into the loud monkey or rocket monkey. You want to go 1, 2, and push off. Then you can run away. Here's another one. You can jump. Oh, wrong one. You can do it here. You're going to jump and then swing your arm around so you can scoop the other way. Take a lot of practice. I hit my head there, but you can do it pretty well. And to get onto gazebo, you want to go in this little bump, push as hard as you can up to here. Right? You want to hit harder than you would think you would. You want to slam pretty hard, all right? Then you can go here, there. Practice some branching. And here's treehouse. This ramp is very hard to get into, but good way to climb it is ignore these steps there. Just go for this little ledge and clench your fist like this. Then just slam and skip a couple steps. Then you can go straight up. Super fast and easy. Good for ghosts in the graveyard. For running fast. But here's the slide. Super hard to get up here. For some reason, it was super hard the first time. But here's the slide. Super fun. Anyways, now I'm going to show you where all the maps are. To jump, you want to slam your hands like this. This is beach. You can go explore that by yourself. I don't want to spoil it for you. Over here, there's Stump, by the way. Over here is the Magma Arena. Super fun. It's kind of like football. And then over here is the skate park. You can explore that because that is fun. Now I'm going to go in Stump, all right? So, instead of I do it that way, but you're going to walk up here, hit there to there, and go in here. Here's canyons, caves, very scary. There's 2 caves, and then cities over there. I'm going to go in a public lobby. You're just going to click option 1, all right? Here's virtual Stump. Here's where you change game modes, casual, infection, guardian, and freestyle. You can explore those on your own. Here's the camera, so you can record here's where you get all your cosmetics. You can see yourself, what you look like, put on all sorts of cosmetics. I have a lot of them. Very cool, very fun. Some cool cosmetics. This one turns you white. Sticks. Dudes you can control. And you can get all that stuff in City, which is right over here. Here's City. There's maps. So many maps. And here. You'll start with 500 shiny rocks. You'll get 100 more each day. The ATM's over here if you want to buy any shiny rocks. There's a friend machine here so you can friend people. You can see them through here. And then here's all the cosmetics. I'll show you. So, here's the monkey plushie. And then you can buy all of these cool cosmetics. All of them. There's a bunch of starter cosmetics over here. Like this one, you start with 500, so you can buy this one, or this bow tie. Or you could buy this mask, because this one's only 500. Or you could save up 5 days to buy something else, like the top hat, for 1,000. Or my favorite hat, which is this yellow one. You can go right over here and get it for 1,000. Or you could get this banana hat. That's 2,000, so you're gonna have to wait a while. 15 days for that. There's a bunch of cool cosmetics. They switch every once in a while. You can try them on at the mirror and choose some new cosmetics. Then you can come over here, click the cosmetic you want. It should appear right there. And you can go yes, and yes, I want it. And then bam, your shiny rocks will go down. You can buy them. Here's the ATM. You can buy shiny rocks. Just warning you, they are expensive. Just ignore that though. Anyways, there's this badge thing. You can level up your badge. 162. Took me a long time to get there. So, also, a lot of people have been asking me, you cannot get this dude anymore. Very sorry. It's a makeshift dude. You couldn't get him, I think it was March 6th. It's been a while though, but can't get this dude anymore. Very sorry about that. A lot of you guys have been asking about that. Same with this. It's not in the shop anymore. Was there. So, sorry. You can also buy these packs, which come with cosmetics and 10,000 shiny rocks. They're very cool. I would recommend buying one of them because they're cheaper than 11,000 shiny rocks. But you can buy anything you want here. There's these really cool umbrellas right now and boots and stuff. This is empty right now. But that is it for today's video. Ask me any questions in the comments about what you want to learn, and I can tell you a code, and you can join it whatever day you want, and I'll probably be in it. Alright, AustinGT is my fan code. Join that, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.